Hey.
Hey.
You guys haven't seen this.
Seen what?
This. Here, hold it. Why don't you hold it?
I'll hold it.
Oh, the toy.
Toy? You mean the replica?
Yeah.
The 1/64th replica?
That's amazing.
Hey, check out the toolbox. Boxo! 1/64th Boxo.
I was a little disappointed that
The Status Racing red seats extra.
I was a little disappointed there was no Jim and Ryan character.
Oh, right. Well, there's a Jim character.
Pretty sure that's a John.
Nah.
No.
I don't see any hair. I think it was a
Some extra
John.
wheels.
Dude.
How cool is that, huh?
I need to go to the eye doctor.
Check it out, dude. Check it out here. Watch. Look at the detail.
Look at the struts. He's even got the rust in there, dude.
Got the seats in it.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that, dude. Dock race intake. Garrett turbo. What?
Dude.
Front splitters with the little struts on them.
So cool.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, awesome, dude. It's got the little race sliders in the glass. Like that. Yeah, this dude, man, he did a great job. Great job.
Yeah, he did. That's wicked.
We'll put him in the comments at his Instagram page account. Super cool.
Boxo toolbox. I'm the Boxo toolbox.
Yeah, so super cool. So we didn't get, we didn't win we didn't advance into Hot Wheels, but we got our very own little 1/64th replica anyway. For now, just for us to look at, So what's this? What are you guys working on over here?
We got a cage this week.
Hey, check it out. Came in from Auto Power out of California. Auto Power, thanks, man. This is actually a spec cage for a BMW 335i. It's a U-weld kit, so it comes tacked. Already has the harness, belt bar, seat belt bar, I don't know what's it called. It's got the diagonal right there, and it's got the pieces going down the back. They sent us some extra pieces so we can do some door bars and some other things. So let's test fit this thing at least, like get it into the car and see where it's at. But I want to keep going on removing windows and pull seats out, and I'm going to be welding on this thing today. So not this thing, that thing. I want to just keep welding all the little things. So let's do it.
Let's do it. How do you stop recording?
Well, that was Barney. I dropped the camera. Good thing it's still working. Battery thing fell out the bottom. Had to put it all back together. Got a little crack down there, but I think it's okay. It's working. So, oh shoot, I don't have the microphone on. I think I'll work with this microphone that's on there right now. So, all right. So it looks like all we have left now is to pull the windshield out. That's tempered glass. All the plexiglass came out real good. So Jim and I are going to tackle that right now. And theoretically, we put it in, so all that should happen is you got to get in here with a big flathead screwdriver, start pulling on the rubber molding, start clearing it, get a little push, hold it right there, and then just really got to be patient and kind of work it around until it's out far enough, because you can crack it real easily. And these are custom made for us. Not horribly bad. I can't remember how much they cost. I want to say they were like $100. And we can use them for another template, so We probably still have the template somewhere for them anyway, but we test fitted the roll cage from Auto Power just for a quick little, you know, throw it in there. It's gonna work, so that's not on the agenda for right now. So yeah, let's keep going. Together. Push so it doesn't pull apart. Alright. Got the wrong way, but it's alright. Do a sound effect on the fist bump with him.
The trunk could come off, the doors could come off.
Yeah, the doors could come off too. Let's get this thing.
Because I mean, is this gonna does this need to be stripped?
Not really. This needs to be stripped. Okay. I don't think we need paper templates, do you? Just cut some strips.
Yeah, maybe cut like a 1/4 inch strip by 3 inches.
Yeah, let's get welding. So we want to start filling these gaps. We've been talking about them, so let's just make little filler panels right here, little plates. Get that cleaned up, filled up, and then I want to tie this rocker into this because this is going to be welded solid now. This is not a, you know, I mean they're not removable anyway, but they're a separate piece. So I want to get this lined up and welded up here in the front as well, right there. So let's go. Everything's out of the car. Let's do it.
Everybody pass right this way. Everybody pass right this way.
Yeah, that's cool. Let's see what it looks like. Well, that's still good. Oh, look at that, dude. Woo!
Follow.
Very nice.
Follows much nicer.
Super cool. Yeah, this was sticking out past this drip rail, so I like it. I like it. The gaps are good. It's a 49 Ford. I don't think the gaps are perfect to begin with, so very nice, very nice. All right, well, we can just keep on welding.
Everybody pass right this way.
Nice little simple piece right there. Magnet, Jim. It's the nicest little 1/2 inch by 3 inch piece you made
Getting good.
on this entire project. Right there, we hold it like that.
Yeah, that is a good piece.
Pretty close.
I'll have to say.
Nice little piece. Nice little filler piece for that nastiness right there. All right, let's get it welded. So again, stitch first, about an inch apart. Work your way around it, and wait, let it cool. That's why I'm moving around. I'm working back here, so this isn't finished, but it's all stitched about every 1 inch, letting it cool. Working on the front here. I'm gonna come back, work on this. I'm still, you know, working on these. And you kind of want to keep moving around so you don't overheat one area, because it will twist on you and it's gonna create all kinds of problems.
Everybody has license plate. Everybody has license plate.
Woo! It's not easy. It's not easy, that's for sure. I'm doing something a little different right now. We've been trying to work on it on the weekends, but it's just not making enough progress. I'm sure you guys can tell watching, but I'll probably pick it back up again with you guys. I'm so close. Why am I so close? Shut the gas off. Turn the lights off. Just gonna leave it a mess, I don't care. So I'll be back tomorrow morning. All right, late.